Good morning, everybody. It's great to see you here today. Speaking of today, does anybody know what day it is? It's Wednesday, that's right. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Remember to help us spell it, we say Wed-ness-day, Wednesday. How about the month? What month is it? March. M-A-R-C-H. March what? What is the date? The 18th. March 18th, comma, 2020. Now let's look at the weather. The weather says that it is 52 degrees. So let's count by fives to find 52. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 55's too big and 50's too little. 52 is just 2 above 50. So I'm going to draw a line almost in the middle, but not quite in the middle of 50 and 55, and then color down. If yesterday was 132 days of school, how many days of school do we have today? 133. Now, we know that today is March 18th. What is tomorrow? That's right, tomorrow is Thursday, March 19th. And what was yesterday? Tuesday, March 17th. Very good. Okay, let's do some of our times first. Let's try, we'll do this one. What time is this? What hand is pointing, what hand is the little hand pointing to? What number? 11. And what is the big hand pointing to? 6. So when we count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 11 is the hour and 30 minutes. 11:30. Let's do another one. How about this one? The little hand and the big hand are pointing to the same number. So is it 12:12? No. When the big hand points to the 12, that means 00. So the time is 12 o'clock. How about this one? What number is the little hand pointing to? And the big hand? So the time is 7, 5, 10, 15. 7:15. Let's do some money. Can you tell me how much this coin is worth? It's a dime, so it's worth 10 cents. How about this coin? This is a nickel. It's worth 5 cents. How about this one? This is a quarter. It's worth 25 cents. And this one? This is a penny. It's only worth 1 cent. Let's count some money in the piggy bank. Try this one. How many dimes do you see? 5 dimes. So 5 tens. And how many nickels? 1. What numbers can we count by to count the dimes? Tens. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 plus 5. So if we get that number 50 in our head, we can add 5. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 55 cents. Let's try this one. How many dimes do you see here? 3. And pennies? 2. So let's count by tens to count the dimes and then add 2. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Did you notice how I counted by tens for the dimes since they're worth 10 cents? And ones for the pennies because they're worth 1 cent. How about this one? If you said 40 cents, you're right. Because there are 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 dimes, so it's 40 cents. Okay, you ready for some even or odds? Okay, is this number even or odd? It's odd. Because if I tried to split that in half, one person would get 5 and the other would get 4, and that's not even. So it's odd. How about this number? Is it even or odd? Which number should you look at to figure out if it's even or odd, the 2 or the 5? The 5. Is 5 an even or an odd number? It's odd, because if I tried to split 5 in half, one person would get 2 and the other would get 3, and that's not even. So this is odd. 25 is odd. How about this one? Even or odd? It's even, because if I split 6 in half, one person would get 3 and the other person would get 3, because 3 plus 3 is 6. That's a doubles number. We know doubles, right? Okay, we're going to do some place values. Remember how this works. I'm going to set it up, and then you're going to tell me how much is there. Okay, it's all set up. How much is there? You don't see any in the hundreds place, do you? But there's 5 tens, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, and 2 ones. 52. Let's do one more. What does this number mean? $135. 1 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place, and 5 in the ones place. 135. Good job.